sure to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune night.